From Forex Traders Daily, this is your daily analysis with Ross Mullins, live from Richmond, Virginia.
Hello everyone, this is today's video analysis for August 19th, 2016. In just a moment, we'll be taking a look at the GBPUSD, Great British Pound, versus the US dollar for today's trade analysis. But first, a recap of a few of the trades taken over the past few days. Yesterday, we were looking for buys on dips into the support zone for the AUD-USD Australian versus the US dollar. That was right here at the top of this blue shaded area, right around 76.70. Well, we did get into it yesterday. In fact, we saw some profit on the trade. It went up from the 76.70 level. We saw a 20 to 25 pips of profit on the trade. The trade manager that we use took our trade to break even when we saw 20 pips or more on the trade. And of course, then the market turned right back around and came back down, breaking through the blue shaded area. Now we're back down here to this pink zone. I think this pink shaded area may be our next opportunity to get long in the direction of the trend. Take a look at the daily time frame and we can see the green trend line coming up from the bottom, the pink shaded area where the green trend line is. So we know that that historical area of support could hold and we could look for a return in the direction of the trend. So look at this, we'll call it 7,600 down to 7,575 level, this pink shaded area as an opportunity once again to go long, looking for the market to return in the direction of the trend. And the risk in that scenario is that it breaks back underneath that pink zone, the green trend line, and continues to go short. So watch that area right there. Now on the other side of it, if you're considering going short, I think you want to wait for it to either break through the pink zone or go back up here to the blue shaded area before you would go short. So those folks looking to go long in the direction of the green trend line, the pink shaded area. Those looking to go short and for reversal, looking at the blue zone as a potential opportunity to get in the Australian dollar. Another currency pair that we have been trading over the past few days is the euro dollar. You can see I still have the trade going down here at the bottom with 70 pips of profit on the trade. We've locked in, we've moved our stop loss into profit, we've closed some of the profit on the trade. It reached our next target all the way up into the 1350 level, now has bounced back a little bit, coming back down to the 4-hour time frame. There it is right there. You can see the buy was down here at the yellow shaded area along the red trend line. The buy was down there into the 1250 level. It hit the orange zone. We closed some profit. We had an opportunity to close some more profit at the blue zone. Now we've made that little bit of a dip down. Similar to the Australian dollar, if you're looking to go long, this orange zone right around 1300 would be an opportunity to go long again. If you're looking to go short, I don't think you want to do it right now because you're into support. You either need it to go back up to the blue zone or break through the orange zone if you're considering going short. I'm going to continue to hold the long position right now, see if we can get it to go bullish again for the euro dollar, but that's what we've been trading here on the euro dollar over the past couple of days. Now let's move over to the GBPUSD, Great British Pound versus the US dollar. First off, starting here on the daily time frame, you see the black box that's on my chart. The market has been somewhat of a range, a period of congestion here since the Brexit news inside that black box. Over the past couple of days, though, we've seen a sell-off of the dollar, an increase in volume for the buyers on the British pound side, and it's gone up for the past 3 or 4 days. That's the direction we have been trading. In fact, over the past couple of days, we actually took a buy scenario and had over 150 pips of profit on that trade. Let's go ahead and zoom it in now on the daily time frame. The buy that we took a couple of days ago was sitting on top of this purple shaded area, and of course, as you see, it went all the way up to the blue zone. Finding some resistance over the past couple of days at the blue shaded area here on the chart, and of course, that's a place that we might look for return back down to the downside, but of course we want to see it break through the support if it's going to continue that bearish pressure back to the purple shaded area down here at the bottom of the chart. It's my expectation as long as it stays above the yellow shaded area, we might be looking for buys on dips into this support zone in the direction of our current momentum. This area right around 1.3100 to 1.3085 is the yellow shaded area. We've seen historical support here. Look back here where these blue circles are on the left hand side of the chart. We've seen many times where the market found support around this yellow shaded area. So as long as it's on top of it, I think that's the area that we look for opportunities to go long. Once again, in the direction of our current trend and momentum that we've seen this week. The sell off of the dollar, the rally for the British pound. Let's take it on down to the 4-hour time frame. Doesn't change it at all, just gives us a little bit of a perspective, different perspective. Take a look at this area right here, and let me take this little red trend line right here and put it right here. You see where this red trend line is, and it went down into the purple zone. Well, that was where we took the buy the last time into the purple zone. It broke above it, dipped back to it, became a buy scenario into the purple shaded area. Well, I think it's a very similar scenario up here at the yellow zone. The buys now become the dip into the yellow shaded area, similar to what happened down here at the purple zone. So continuing to hold support above 3,100 becomes an opportunity to go long. Your risk in this scenario, and I'll just take this red trend line and put it right here, your risk is the breakdown of the yellow shaded area. So your stop losses will likely be underneath the 30.85, 30.80 level if you decide to go long into the yellow shaded area. Your first target, of course, is the blue zone on the way back up, and then beyond there, you could even target back here to the green shaded area at the top of the chart. So if you're looking for a low risk, high reward buy scenario here for the GBPUSD today, that's into the yellow zone. Target there for the buy scenario, stop losses underneath it, targeting the blue and the green shaded areas on the way back up for the pound dollar today.
From Forex Traders Daily, this has been your daily analysis with Ross Mullins. If you would like to get Ross's analysis on all the currency pairs he's watching and all the trades he takes today, join him in his live trade room by clicking on the link below. Please leave any comments you have about today's video in the comments section below.